The director of the University of Rochester's Wilmot Cancer Institute is in search of a different kind of cure for Hodgkin's lymphoma.
Hayden Wentworth joins us in the studio now with a recent discovery that could be key to changing how that type of cancer is treated. Hayden.
Yes, Hodgkin's lymphoma is a rare form of cancer that attacks the lymphatic system, mostly in teens and young adults. A local doctor says although this form of cancer has a high treatment success rate, there still can be more that's done. Dr. Jonathan Friedberg, who led a national clinical trial, says most patients diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma can be cured with standard treatments, but there's still a risk.
There's still problems. About 20% of patients are not cured with standard treatment.
Friedberg adds, current treatments may not always be the best choice.
Standard treatment involves often radiation therapy and other side effects that have implications both in the short and long term for these young patients.
That's where the clinical trial came in.
We included a new immunotherapy drug, and there's terrific promise of using this drug in the relapse setting, but this is one of the first trials to use this drug in the upfront treatment setting with the goal of curing more patients.
Patients like Hannah Lundgren, who was diagnosed with the disease 2 years ago.
I knew something was wrong, and then it very quickly set in, oh my gosh, I have cancer. I mean, it's not something that you expect to hear at 25 years old.
Hannah tells us with the success of the clinical trial, she's doing better than expected.
I ran a half marathon in October. I'm getting married this October. Life moves on after cancer.
Friedberg tells us over 90% of patients with stage 3 or 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma were in remission after participating in the trial. To look out for symptoms in teens and young adults, those can include sudden weight loss, night sweats, and fatigue. In the studio, Hayden Wentworth, News 8.
Hayden, thank you for that positive news. Friedberg adds if the FDA approves the new course of treatment, he could see it becoming standard over the next year.